Cheating, is it done the same way for men and women?
Men cheat, women don't cheat. That's when, before I got married. You understand, when I was a teenager. So I used to just be scared of African men, because in my mind, because I'm African. So when I was living in US, so I was like, I don't want to date Burundian and Rwandese. No way, they are cheater. Every man comes to me and, what's your nationality? I will ask you first. And they say Burundian or Rwandese, I run. But you know, and the more I was growing up, I realized it's not all African men, they are cheater. Men, you are my brothers and I love you. Like Patrick, he's like my brother, I love them. Some of them, they are cheater, and some of them, they are good men. Sure. It depends on the person you meet. I cannot say 90% of men, they are cheaters.